Yeah, that's right, Adam. And it's a beat on the top and the bottom line with net sales coming in at $1.16 billion. That's an increase of 44% year over year. That beat estimates. Also, earnings per share coming in at $1.28 versus 35 cents, what the street year over year. So that's quite a bump year over year for earnings per share. Inventory increased 37% year over year, and second quarter comp retail net sales up 22%. So right now, this is what the results beating from the top and the bottom line. And analysts are going to be paying attention to the conference call to be looking for what Urban Outfitters also announced recently, which is Noli Thrift. This is a new app launching this fall to compete with Poshmark, getting into that secondhand market, with the CTO saying that the company has to grow, even if it's risking cannibalizing their merchandise.
Hey, Ines, how does this compare to some of the other retailers that we've gotten out? Because outside of clothing specifically, obviously we got that much better than expected number from Best Buy earlier today. But I guess overall, the sector has been a bit mixed just in terms of the traffic and the demand that they're seeing. You can't really say it's one thing, I don't think, across the board.
Yeah, that's right. It's not really one thing across the board. We did see, even when we talk about Amazon, we saw that as slowing sales when it comes to online, because people are getting out more. But when it comes to retail, as far as clothing is concerned, look, what analysts had been expecting for Urban Outfitters is that full price discounting was going to be down this quarter compared to the same quarter last year. They were going to be seeing higher prices for dresses. This is a key category for Urban Outfitters, very different than the promos that were going on for the same quarter last year. So when we're talking about clothing, last year, the same quarter was very different than what we're seeing with the progress that we're seeing with the company this year, and especially getting into this secondhand market, so to speak, trying to compete with companies like Poshmark expanding.